Ivan, today through Social Space we will be talking about an act which is very important for us. That is the Employees Trust Fund Act. This act is very important for us as it has a direct bearing on the social security of the workers. We all should generally be enlightened on this. And also, what's the privilege we're entitled to? How do we get them? How should we acquire them? Let's talk about this today. First, we talk about the benefits accrued by the workers through the Employees Trust Fund. Here we can identify two types of benefits. General benefits, welfare benefits. First, we have the general benefits and then we also have the welfare benefits. Let's see as to what is meant by general benefits. 3% of the worker's salary is deposited and this is withdrawn along with the interest added to it. This is called the general benefits. These are certain instances where the funds can be withdrawn from the Employees Trust Fund. Resignation of the employee, migration on permanent visa basis, joining the government or local government sector employment, a death of the worker, vacation from post due to permanent illness or disability. Resignation of the employee, migration on permanent visa basis, joining the government or local government sector employment, death of the worker, vacation of post due to permanent illness, disability can be considered as instances where the funds can be withdrawn from the Employees Trust Fund. The ETF contributes can be obtained only once 5 years after the vacation of post by the worker. There is one opportunity after 5 years. For example, if you have obtained funds from ETF on the 20th of March 2020, you are not entitled to get the ETF contributions even if you work in and leave several institutions after that. Welfare benefits. Welfare benefits are the most important factor. Most of the workers are not aware of this. They do not know that they enjoy 10 benefits through this. Let's see what these benefits are. This is going to be very important for you. Employees Trust Fund Act number 46 of 1980. Through the Employees Trust Fund Act number 46 of 1980, all the workers became investors. Are you aware of that? Without making any contribution, the workers are linked to a program where they become investors. On the one hand, the ETF fund is a fund which converts all the workers into investors. You are not aware of this feature. Let's see as how you can enjoy these 10 benefits as members of the fund. Only one active membership is entitled for these 10 welfare benefits. The members who deposit funds in the ETF untrappedly come under this category. One of that, you are entitled for 8 welfare benefits if you have made the deposits continuously for 12 months during the previous year. Similarly, if you hold a membership continuously for a period of 5 years, you are entitled for the other 2 benefits as well. Now let's see what other 10 benefits are. Life insurance, permanent disability insurance, payment for heart surgery, payment of kidney transplant, assistance for eye lens replacement, grade 5 scholarship grants, Shramaswa protection insurance, housing loan scheme, scholarships for the children of permanently disabled workers, benefits for students who pass GCE advanced level examination. Life insurance, permanent disability insurance, payments for heart surgery, payments for kidney transplant, assistance for eye lens replacement, grade 5 scholarship grants, Sharmasu protection insurance, housing loan scheme, scholarship for the children of permanently disabled workers, benefits for students who pass GCE A-level examinations are the benefits that you can enjoy under this. Were you aware of these benefits? Did you know that you're entitled for these 10 benefits? You didn't, right? We will talk about them in detail. In case of a death of any member who holds membership in the ETF, the fund pays an insurance payment of 100,000 rupees to his or her dependents. The particular dependents of the deceased worker needs to submit the relevant application to the ETF within 1 year from the death. Here, these dependents have been insured by the ETF. Permanent disability insurance. What would be the action taken in case if a certain person becomes incapable to engage in his or her job due to an accident, illness, or any other condition? The person can benefit from the insurance cover in such instances. An amount up to 200,000 rupees can be obtained in this kind of situations that include several conditions like losing an eye, losing a hand, losing both hands and losing both legs, etc. In this kind of instances, a certificate should be obtained from a doctor confirming that more than 50% of the worker's body has been disabled or incapacitated. When this condition is probably proven, an allowance subject to a maximum of 200,000 will be provided. Providing assistance for heart surgeries. We are well aware that currently a lot of people have become victims of different types of diseases. Heart diseases are prominent here. Under this, assistance is given for heart surgeries. This is provided subject to a maximum of 300,000 rupees. There is something significant about this. If the worker receives a share of the total expenditure from the President's Fund and or any other insurance cover in which the worker holds membership, the ETF fund would cover the balance amount of the total expenditure, and this amount never exceeds the value of 300,000 rupees. Kidney transplant. Currently, many people have become victims of kidney-related problems. Here, the fund issues a grant for kidney transplant. This grant is also similar to the grant provided with regard to heart surgery. The maximum amount provided, 300,000 rupees. There is another special factor about this. This amount is neither provided for medical treatment related to kidney diseases and no more kidney domain. The expenses list and other related documents should be submitted for this purpose along with the application form within 60 days from the being discharged from the hospital. In a future lesson, we will adorable more on the related documents. In an eye lens replacement is done due to cataract condition, a sum of 9,000 will be provided for one eye. The maximum amount paid for both eyes is 18,000. There is another important possibility. This is regarding the Grade 5 Scholarship Examination. 1,000 children who pass the Grade 5 Scholarship Examination are selected out of membership, and a sum of 15,000 rupees deposited in the savings account of the children, enabling them to withdraw this amount after completing 18 years of age. A member of the Employees Trust Fund can claim for benefits when undergoing residential treatments either in a private hospital or a government hospital for a period of more than 48 hours. The worker is entitled to get his only one or two occasions. A maximum amount of 25,000 rupees can be obtained for one incident. Let's imagine that an expecting mother gets hospitalized for a childbirth. There can be received 500 rupees per each day. She is entitled for a maximum of another 20,000 rupees to cover the expenses on purchasing medicine and for making other purchases. In spite of these entitlements, the number of claims made is considerably less. What is the reason for that? The workers are not aware of these entitlements. Also, the amount received is a minimal account. Therefore, we propose that this act be updated and amended to make it matching with the current situation. So let's see whether the act would get upgraded in the future and enable to workers to enjoy further privileges. This housing loan scheme brings us very important benefits. We all have a dream to construct a house of our own, right? We get some assistance to make them dream a reality. The workers will be able to construct a house under consularity loan. It can be extension of a construction as well. There's a possibility to purchase a land or house under this loan. Between 100,000 to 25 lakhs rupees can be obtained for this purpose. Similarly, the worker is not entitled for any membership payments until the loan is completely settled. Scholarship for the children of members with permanent disabilities. Previously, we discussed about the benefits given the children of members when they pass their Grade 5 scholarship examination. The benefits are given to the children of active members. But under this, we focus on the children of passive members, the members who have lost their jobs due to permanent disabilities. When the children pass the Grade 5 scholarship exam, a sum of rupees 15,000 is deposited in the savings accounts, enabling them to withdraw it after completing 18 years. Another significant benefit of the ETF is benefits offered to the students who pass their advanced level. A scholarship of 12,000 is provided to 5,000 children of the active members of the fund based on the success gained at the GC advanced level examination. Here we have to discuss about a significant factor. The ETF fund has a considerably immense membership. However, the claims received under these categories is less as the awareness level regarding these benefits is less. The application process for benefits should be updated. Also, these benefits should be updated and adjusted to match with the current need. When we compare with the current rates, the amount of benefits received is minimal. Therefore, we propose that this Act be amended and updated and the required adjustment be made to make it compatible with the current situation. Thank you. Let's meet again in another program. Social Space. This is your space. Your protection is your right. Please join with us to reach the latest information on social fields. Subscribe us, press the bell icon too.